Strategies that are required for an online entrepreneur to achieve success. Create or offer a great product or service. Identify a hungry market. Get your message in front of that market. Deliver exceptional value naturally. This takes time, effort, and expense. There are some key elements that make an internet business appealing to the entrepreneur. No need for a storefront or office space. Commuting costs and overhead expenses are minimal. The internet marketplace is unlimited. That being said, the internet is very competitive. Your ability to get your message out to the right people takes a skill that isn't learned overnight. It requires consistent follow-up with your potential customers. This is usually done through an email marketing campaign that is developed with follow-up messages given at planned intervals. Most people struggle to set up and maintain a successful marketing campaign. They fail in their efforts and seek professional help to set up their marketing system. Once they spend big bucks to set everything to run their business, they run into the biggest challenge of all, and that is driving traffic to this beautiful site they created. There is absolutely no way your business will succeed if nobody sees your site. The solution is Onpassive. Onpassive has ongoing marketing campaigns that drive targeted traffic to you. AI software follows up with your visitors, answers their questions, and closes the sale. All through an automated process that is 100% done for you. We are looking forward to sharing more with you before our exciting launch to the world. Stay tuned and learn more about the Onpassive story. A Bill Must production.